Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cecilia. I'm in Paris and it is a very exciting day for me. I finally got an Hermes Leather appointment for today. And I'm going to take you along this afternoon to my leather appointment. Right now, I'm outside of the Chanel flagship boutique, which is located at 31 Rue Cambon. I love the Chanel pearl necklace, and the camellia design choker is so pretty and stunning. This beautiful design dress with all the camellia detail is so beautiful. And the same pattern on the shirt as well. Wow, look at this bell, how gorgeous. Look at this camera bag in black lambskin, it's so chic. It comes in this white color as well. I love this Chanel tank top. It's simple but elegant. This leather skirt has a matching bag. So matchy. I always love the Chanel pearl necklace. It instantly elevates a simple outfit. It adds a touch of timeless elegance and luxuries. Do you like this tweed design classic flag? Chanel's fashion jewelry is always so beautiful. Wow, look at those two gorgeous dresses. It's so ladylike and pretty. Here are the two beautiful Chanel classic look. It is so elegant and beautiful. This cardigan with camellia is so beautiful and effortlessly chic. Chanel's ready-to-wear pieces are timeless chic. Their iconic look perfectly captures the essence of French elegance and modern sophistication. This Chanel Nano 31 shopping bag is so cute. Here is this classic mini bag in red and black color. I love the Chanel's classic mini rectangle bag. It's so timeless and elegant. It's a petite bag, but it's spacious enough to hold all my essentials like a phone, wallet, and makeups. This Chanel small bucket bag in a beautiful lilac color. The standout feature of the bag is the iconic CC logo. It is selling for €4,900. I love the drawstring allow the bag to be easily open and closed. This bag also features a leather and chain strap, typical of Chanel's design, allowing it to be worn crossbody or over the shoulder. This bag also came in beautiful black lambskin and gold tone hardware. There are so many beautiful mini bags here. This is a very beautiful beige bag. There are so many wallet on chain selections. I'm so excited. I have a Hermes Leather appointment later today. We are going to have some souffle first, then go to Hermes for my appointment. We got 3 different flavors, all of them taste so delicious. I have arrived early at FSH for my leather appointment. Hopefully it's my lucky day. They have so many Birkin and Kelly display. They all look so stunning and beautiful. Look at this mini Kelly, looks so elegant. Here are some Hermes click-edge bracelet. And they have it in so many beautiful colors. The Kelly bracelet is very stylish and chic. I'm on the 2nd floor at my leather appointment and have just told the leather good essay what I want. I'm so excited now, fingers crossed. The essay brought out a big box and asked me to follow him. And here is the box. I'm dropping off today's Hermes purchases first at the hotel before we head out to the Eiffel Tower. I'm so happy I got 2 Hermes bags today. It's totally my lucky day. I will link my unbox video for you to check them out. We purchased the Eiffel Tower tickets online, so we will be going up to see the beautiful city lights at night. It's pretty windy today. We are in the elevator going up the Eiffel Tower now. It's amazing to watch the entire beautiful city unfold beneath us. I'm here with my family and this is such an amazing experience and views. We love it so much. It is pretty windy up here, so if you are coming here at night, definitely should bring a jacket or sweater. The view is so beautiful and amazing. The city of Paris is covered in thousands of twinkling lights. Every hour, the Eiffel Tower lights up with thousands of flashing lights. It is such a cool experience. It lasts for a few minutes every hour. It's so pretty. There is also a gift shop here. Let's go take a look before we head down for dinner. We are going to the Louvre Museum tonight. It looks so beautiful at night with all the lights reflecting off the glass and stone. The museum is open late on a few nights each week, which make it a perfect time to enjoy the exhibits with fewer crowds. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested to find out which Hermes bag I got from Paris, I will link the unboxing video here for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.